On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2018 Highlander Open Range 2950BH. This lightweight fifth wheel is made to be easily towable. The inside of this camper trailer is a refreshingly simple and open living space. A compact and efficient kitchen is filled with all the amenities you need. The main living area includes a slide that houses a large convertible sofa with two stowable dinette tables. An extended countertop gives you plenty of space for food prep and cooking. The rear area contains two bunk beds with a large wardrobe on the back wall for extra storage. The bedroom has a queen-sized bed with nightstands on both sides. Above the bed are overhead storage cabinets with extra closet space set into a slide on the side wall. To the left of the bedroom is the master bathroom, which includes a toilet, shower, and sink built into the countertop. There is also a medicine cabinet above the sink and a cabinet below for storage. This unit also features an outdoor kitchen that includes a sink and stove. This Highlander Open Range fifth wheel is an RV built to support fun family weekends or comfortable full-time living. Come see this and hundreds of other pre-owned recreational vehicles. Come check them out at RV Depot.